ready? 3, 2, 1, and ripping. Oh. All right, guys. So this is the start to the vlog today. We are out here in Northeast Pennsylvania, basically New Jersey. It's a little snowy out. First snow of the, I guess, winter. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when I get back from the gym, and then we'll go from there. I think I got an idea for today's video. You guys were wondering how my dad cleans the Civic off. Dad, you got anything to say to the vlog?
No cap.
No cap. We're cleaning off the Civic. We're gonna do a little bit of a brake job on this thing because the front brakes are absolutely atrocious on it.
The winter car.
The winter beater here. You got anything to say to the vlog, buddy? We're gonna get that heater in the garage. A little propane action. All right, guys, John back here with another video. Now, if you can't tell, it's cold outside. It's about like less than 30 degrees here in Pennsylvania today. So, you know, I don't want to be outside. I'm going to try and be inside. And I want to try and push out content for you guys. So today, what we're going to be doing is a brake change on the Honda Civic that my dad has. For the most part, that thing is probably going to be the winter daily / beater because I don't really want to be driving this thing in the winter because it probably won't be the best. But I definitely will drive it a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and throw my other wheels on it and it should be fine for the winter. But yeah, we're just going to do the brake pads because they're absolutely horrendous on that thing. So this will be like a little bit of a how-to video on how to change your brake pads on a Honda Civic. The rotors are fine, just the pads are shot. So we're gonna get right into this video. We got the heater going into the garage right now, so it'll be nice and toasty in there. Got the good old-fashioned propane heater here. This thing's honestly, it's cooking. It's really cooking, not even gonna cap. We're gonna go ahead and take this front wheel off here. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead, jack this thing up, get to see how these brake pads are, see how shot they are. Alright guys, so got myself a DeWalt here. So shout out to my dad for getting me this for my birthday. We're gonna go ahead and give it a shot. Alright, that thing's actually so sick. Not even gonna cap. That was probably the most satisfying thing I've ever done in my entire life. Holy Lord. Oh! We won't talk about that. Alright, so this is what we're dealing with here. I'm not even gonna lie, this rotor's beat. But we got the brake pads, so we're gonna throw them on anyways. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna go ahead and undo 2 bolts. So one is gonna be right here, nice and rusty. And then the other one is gonna be right there. So I went ahead and took off those 2 bolts, one right here, one right there. Back piece should just come off here, just like that. Honestly, they do have some tread left on them, so they're not horrible, but these brakes sure do sound horrible. So update on this. Getting this one in was super easy. It literally just pops right in. But you know, I've had some other problems with AutoZone brake pads once before. It was on my girlfriend's uncle's Hyundai Elantra. Shout out Uncle Vic and Aunt Dawn and Sarah. Anyways, but yeah, the AutoZone brake pads, they didn't fit on his Elantra either, and what we had to do was basically just grind it down, like sand it down the very top of this thing to be able to fit it into the clips because it didn't fit. But we're gonna do that. I'm gonna go ahead and use this little file, and we're gonna go ahead and just grind it down a little bit. So after some minor modification, a little bit of filing, went right in. Too easy. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put some grease on there. Go ahead and grab your nice C-clamp like this. Go ahead and grab your brake cylinder, your master, whatever you want to call it. Go ahead and put this gent on there like that. So yeah, basically you just go ahead and tighten the C-clamp and it'll push the cylinder back in for you, just like that. So now you can go ahead and put it on your brake pad. It looks pretty crusty in here. Boom, just like that. Now we're gonna put the nuts back in and we're gonna be set. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put these things back in. Also, these are 12 mils. Like, that sounds good. Wait, maybe like one more. Hold on. Man, we're gonna throw this wheel back on. We're gonna go on to the next side. But I'm not gonna show you that because that's really boring. So once I'm done with this thing, we're gonna go take it for a test drive, make sure we did okay. We got everything done on the Civic. We got the new brake pads on in the front. Now, we came into an issue into the back here. Hopefully you guys can't see. Yeah, as you can see, a lug stud is in there. That's the lug stud that broke off, so that's not good. Not good at all. And then this one, just completely free balls. That's my life. Still gonna go test drive though. Be back. We're on the Civic now, letting this bad boy warm up. We're gonna go ahead and do some pulls. Not really pulls. We're gonna go ahead and just make sure that the brakes are all working. They seem kind of firm, I mean, for what it is. See what happens. Do up to like 40. We're gonna go ahead and just hit the brakes, make sure that they work. But we're gonna bed these bad boys. Brakes. Lock them up a little bit. All right. Do another stoppage test here at 30. Oh, bro, stops on a dime. And ready, 3, 2, 1, and ripping. Oh, we had some gravel. 40 stop. Look at that. I'd say that the brake job was a success, even with just being the brake pads being done. Honestly, not bad. So if you guys enjoyed the video, let me know. Drop down a comment if you guys learned anything, or go ahead, definitely leave a like and subscribe for more. Definitely more videos to be coming. Trying to figure out what to do for the winter, build wise or like car wise. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, drop a comment down below what we should do next for the winter build. I know this video wasn't the best. It was kind of boring, especially since I'm just doing a brake job on a Civic, but that's really all I can do right now. I'm waiting on my lug bolts for the Beamer because, you know, the lug studs keep breaking on that thing, which kind of sucks. So I just went ahead and ordered some extended lug bolts because I'm done with the lug studs. I'll catch you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out, and I'll see you later.